Hello children and good morning. I hope you all are fine. So this video is for class UKG subject mathematics and today we will study one new chapter that is greater than, less than and equal to. Okay, so let's start this chapter with some fun. Look here children, this is Ali, the alligator. See children, this is one alligator and her name is Ali. She will help us to make this chapter study with fun. Okay, so in this chapter we will learn about three things. See children, this is the symbol of greater than and this is the symbol of less than and this is the symbol of equal to. Understood? Now look here children. Ali loves to eat the biggest number. Here two numbers are there, 8 and 5. Ali is also here but she loves to eat the biggest number. Then which number she will eat? This 8 number she will eat. Why? Because she always loves to eat the biggest number. Understood? Now tell me children, which number will Ali eat? Here two numbers are there, 14 and 12. As you all know, Ali loves to eat the biggest number. So he will eat this 14 number. Understood? So like Ali's mouth, the open end of the sign goes to the bigger number. Can you see the mouth of the alligator, this Ali? It's look like this. And this sign is a symbol of greater than. Okay. Now you can tell me 4 and 2. Which one is bigger? This 4 is bigger. So Ali will eat this 4 number. Understood? Then how you will tell? 4 is greater than 2. Understood? Here also you can see two numbers are there, 6 and 8. Okay. See here what it is written here. Remember, the open end goes to the bigger number like Ali's mouth. So children, can you tell me now which number she will eat from 6 and 8? Which one is bigger? The number 8 is bigger. She will eat the number 8. Okay. Now look at her mouth. It is of what symbol? See, less than symbol. So how you will tell? 6 is less than 8. Understood? Now let's see some more. Which number will Ali eat? Two numbers are there, 4 and 8. So as you all know, Ali loves to eat the bigger one. So what number she will eat? She will eat the number 8. So what will be the symbol? If she will eat the number 8, the symbol will look like this. Means this orange symbol you will put in the circle. Understood? This orange color symbol is of what? Less than symbol. Understood? And how you will read? 4 is less than 8. Understood? Now tell me which one goes in the circle. Here also two numbers are there, 9 and 5. Okay, now you can tell me which one the symbol will go. The bigger number is 9. So alligator will eat the bigger one. Which symbol you will give? This green color. That green color is greater than sign. Understood? So you will put the sign like this inside the circle. Got it? And how you will read this one? 9 is greater than 5. Got it? So children, all of you have understood about the greater than and less than sign. Now let's move to see equal to. If the numbers are same, use the symbol this equal to. This symbol we used to say equal to. Understood? So see, here the same numbers are given, 7 and 7. Then what symbol you will use? This equal to symbol you will use. Understood? If you will see the same numbers given, then you will use the equal to sign here. Understood? So let me recall you once again that remember, Ali always eats the biggest number. Like 14 and 15, what number she will eat? She will eat the number 15 because it is the biggest one. Understood? So now let's move towards the exercise part. See children, put greater than means this symbol you will put, and less than this symbol or equal to. Got it? See children, here the numbers has been given and in the middle you have to put these symbols. Understood? Now let's start from the first. 8 is less than 13. As this symbol denotes what? Less than. So 8 less than 13. The next 16 is greater than 12. The next 7 is less than 18. The next 4 is less than 19. 11 is greater than 1. Okay. Then the next 20 is greater than 10. Then the next 6 is less than 12. Then the next 10 is less than 17. Then the next 2 is equal to 2. See children, here same numbers has been written. So what symbol you will put? Equal to. Got it? Now the next one, 15 is greater than 5. 5 is less than 8. Then the next 14 is greater than 9. Okay. 0 is less than 3. Understood? Now the last one, 10 is less than 13. Okay? Understood children? So now let's move to the homework part. So what is your homework? Write the exercise in the copy. Which exercise children? This exercise. Okay, you have to write this one in your copy. And what else is there? In your textbook, complete page number 52, 53 and 54. Understood? So, thank you and have a great day.